All right, so got the starter check. So we took it out and took it into get a check, and it came back good. So on to the next thing was the alternator. You can see kind of a brand new one in there. Just installed it. So we've done a solenoid, that wasn't it. Starter check, that wasn't it. Brand new battery, that wasn't it. So now we're gonna try the starter that we just put in. Belts, we didn't change anything with the belts, so go ahead, Dan. So what are we getting? The exact same thing with all of these things fixed, changed, and replaced. The exact same thing.